Hey guys, how are you? Today in this video I will review on Realme P1 5G phone. Its display type is AMOLED display and its refresh rate is 120 Hz. Weight is 188 gram and its display size is 6.67 inches. Its display resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. And operating system is Android 14. Processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7050. Internal storage is 128 GB and 256 GB. RAM is 8 GB and 6 GB. Its front camera is 16 megapixel and its back camera is 50 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth. Battery capacity is 5000 mAh. And it has 45W wired charger. Colors are Phoenix Red, Peacock Green. So, that are the specifications. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for knowing about this types video when I upload.